Today I am going to discuss group Platyhelminthes in kingdom Animalia. Platy means flat and helmin means worm. Flat worm are also known as Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat and helpin means worm. So flat worm are also known as platyhelminthes. The characteristics of platyhelminthes are they have tissue level of organization. They have tissue level of organization and body is bilaterally symmetrical. Body is bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means light and red halves of the body has the same design. Body is bilaterally symmetrical means left half and right half of the body has the same design. These are triploblastic. Triploblastic means body is made up of 3 layers of cells and body is also dorsoventrally flattened. Flattened from back through to the abdomen. Leaf-like animals. This is leaf-like structure. Leaf-like structure are there. So the body is dorsoventrally flattened from top to bottom, leaf-like animals. So these are also called flatworm. And there is no true internal body cavity or xylem. There is no true internal body cavity or xylem. They are either free-living or parasitic animals. They are either free-living or parasitic animals means flatworms. Flatworms are also known as platyhelminthes. They are triploblastic body made up of 3 layers of cells. Dorsoventrally flattened. Dorsoventrally flattened means flattened from back through to the abdomen. Leaf-like animals. They have tissue level of organization. So these are also called flatworms. And they have bilaterally symmetrical body design bilaterally symmetrical means the left and right halves of the body has the same design and there is no true internal body cavity or xylem. They are either free living or parasitic animals. Living parasitic animals means living in the bodies of other animal like liver fluke. Some are free livings like planaria. This is planaria, this is liver fluke and tapeworm is the example of platyhelminthes. Now next group nematoda or nemathelminthes. Nematoda or nemathelminthes. Nema means thread and helmin means worm. Thread like worm are known as nematoda or nemathelminthes. So what are the characteristics of this group of animals means nemathelminthes? Their body is bilaterally symmetrical means body is divided into right and left half equal same design. These are also triploblastic. 3 layers of cells are present. Cylindrical worms with pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom means no true body cavity are present. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical. They are mostly parasitic worms causing disease. They are mostly parasitic worm causing disease and these worms are also found in the intestines. These worms are also found in the intestine. These are the worm, thread-like worm. They are parasitic worms and causing disease. They are also called roundworm because they appear circular in cross section and are unsegmented. These are also called roundworms because they appear circular in cross section and are unsegmented. These are the first animal that have complete and straight alimentary canal. These nemathelminthes group, these animals in these groups of animals are the first animals that have complete and straight alimentary canal and it consists of mouth and anus. So these are the characteristics of nemathelminthes or nematoda. Another name of nemathelminthes is aschelminthes. Nemat means thread, nema means thread and helmin means worm. So thread like worms, round worm are also known as nemathelminthes. And the characteristics of nematodas are, these are triploblastic cylindrical worms with pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom means no true cavity, no body cavity or coelom is present. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical. They are parasitic worms causing disease, and these worms are also found in the intestine. Roundworm or pinworms. These are also called roundworm because they appear circular in cross section and are unsegmented. These are the first animals that have complete and straight elementary canal. In this group, these are the first animals that have complete and straight elementary canal, and it consists of mouth and anus. For example, ascaris, Encyclostoma, these are ascaris, male and female ascaris. These animals are in group Nemathelminthes. Now next group, Annelida. Annulus means little ring and lidos means form. Ring-like structure are there. Annulus means little ring and lidos means form. Little ring-like structure are there. These are triploblastic, means 3 layers of shell are present and have bilaterally symmetrical. They are also elongated, cylindrical or dorsoventrally flattened organism. They are elongated, cylindrical and dorsoventrally flattened organism. These animals are found in variety of habitat. Fresh water, land, marine water, soil as well as land also. These animals are found in variety of habitat, that is fresh water, marine water as well as on land also. They are elongated, dorsoventrally flattened organism, and these are triploblastic, having bilaterally symmetrical. These groups are the first animals to develop true body cavity or coelom. That means they are coelomates. These are the first animals to develop true body cavity or coelom. That means they are coelomate. There is body differentiation that occurs in a segmental fashion. Little ring are there. The segments are lined up one after other from head to tail. Ring-like structure are present. The segments are present. Segments are lined up one after other from head to tail, and locomotion is done with the segmentally arranged pair lateral appendage called parapodia or seta. Locomotion is done with the segmentally arranged paired lateral appendage called parapodia or seta. This is parapodia. Seta is present. So these are the animal found in variety of habitats. They are elongated, cylindrical or dorsoventrally flattened organism, flat-like structure. These are the flattened organism. They are triploblastic, means 3 layers of cell are present, and they also bilaterally symmetrical. Body is divided into equally 2 halves, left halves and right half with same design. These are the first animal to develop true body cavity or coelom, means coelom is present, that means they are coelomates. This is the word coelomates, true body cavity are present, and their body differentiation that occurs in a segmental fashion. Segmented body parts are there. The segments are lined up one after another from head to tail, and locomotion is done with the segmentally arranged pair lateral appendage called seta or parapodia. For example, sandworm, earthworm, leech. These are leech, these are earthworm. Leech, earthworm are in this group Annelida. Now next group, Arthropoda. Arthropoda means jointed. Arthon means jointed and podos means foot. Jointed foot are there. This is crab. Jointed foot are there. Cockroach, jointed foot are there, and prawn, here also jointed foot are there. So arthon means jointed and podos means foot. And what are the characteristics of Arthropoda? Arthropoda is the largest group of animals and found everywhere on the earth. These are the largest group of animals and found everywhere on the earth. These are also triploblastic. Triploblastic means 3 layers of shell are there. Bilaterally symmetrical, body is divided equally 2 halves, left halves and right halves, and same design and segmented animals. So these are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and segmented animals. Body is segmented and grouped into 3 regions: head, thorax and abdomen. Body is segmented and is grouped into 3 regions, that is head, thorax and abdomen. And their body consists of exoskeleton. Exoskeleton, it is lightweight, tough and made up of chitin. Exoskeleton is lightweight, tough and made up of chitin. They have joint legs. Special characteristics of Arthropoda is they have joint leg and body cavity or coelomic cavity is filled with blood. Body cavity or coelomic cavity is filled with blood. Open circulatory system is present. That is, blood does not flow in blood vessels. This is called open circulatory system. Open circulatory system means blood does not flow in blood vessels. There is 2 type of circulatory system: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. In closed circulatory system, blood flows in blood vessels, means artery, vein. And open circulatory system means it is present, blood does not flow in blood vessels. So these are the characteristics of Arthropoda. Main Arthropoda is the largest group of animals. These are found everywhere on the earth. These are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and segmented animal. All words are important. Triploblastic means 3 layers of cells are there. Bilaterally symmetrical, body is equally divided into left halves and right halves, and segmented animal. Body is segmented part is there. Body is segmented and grouped into 3 regions, that is head, thorax and abdomen. And body consists of exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is a lightweight, tough and made up of chitin. This is exoskeleton. Outer layer is called, outer covering is called exoskeleton, and this exoskeleton is lightweight, tough and made up of chitin. They have joint leg. All animals have joint leg. In crab there is also joint leg. In cockroach here also joint leg, and crab, prawn, here also jointed legs. They have jointed legs. Body cavity or coelomic cavity is filled with blood, means hemocoel. Body cavity or coelomic cavity is filled with blood, means hemocoel, and open circulatory system is present. That is, blood does not flow in blood vessels. And another point is there, in many arthropods, compound eyes are present. Compound eyes are present on the head. In many arthropods, compound eyes are present on the head. For example, prawn, scorpion, housefly, butterfly, cockroach, all are the example of Arthropoda. So these are the characteristics of Arthropoda. Artho means jointed and podos means foot. That means jointed foot. Jointed appendages are there in Arthropoda's group. And these are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and segmented animals. And these animals are the largest group of animals. These are the largest group of animals and found everywhere on the earth. Common example: prawn, cockroach, butterfly, crab. These are in Arthropoda group and found everywhere on the earth. These are triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical and segmented animals. Body is segmented and grouped into three design: head, thorax and abdomen. And body consists of a hard lightweight outer covering called exoskeleton. This is made up of chitin. They have joint legs. Body cavity or coelomic cavity is filled with blood and open circulatory system is present. Open circulatory system means blood does not flow in blood vessels. Blood does not flow in blood vessels. For example, cockroach, prawn, butterfly, etc. So these are the characteristics of Arthropoda. Thank you, students.